Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make mozzarella cheese at home. First, gather your ingredients and equipment for a smooth process. We'll start by gently heating the milk, then adding the acid to begin the curdling. This easy method ensures delicious, fresh cheese without complex steps. You'll be amazed at how quickly you can transform milk into stretchy, flavorful mozzarella, perfect for any dish. To begin, you'll need 1 gallon of whole milk, avoiding ultra-pasteurized varieties for best results. Dissolve 1 1/2 teaspoons of citric acid in 1/4 cup of cool water. Separately, dilute 1/4 teaspoon of liquid rennet in another 1/4 cup of cool water. Gather a large, non-reactive pot, a reliable thermometer, and a slotted spoon. These simple items are all you need to start your cheese-making journey. Start by pouring your milk into the large pot and gently heating it on medium-low. Stir constantly until the temperature reaches 90 degrees Fahrenheit. Remove the pot from the heat and slowly stir in the dissolved citric acid solution for about 30 seconds. Next, add the diluted rennet, stirring gently for another 30 seconds. Cover the pot and let it rest undisturbed for 5 to 10 minutes, allowing the curds to set firmly. Once the curds are set, cut them into 1-inch cubes and return the pot to the stove. Gently heat the curds to 105 degrees Fahrenheit, stirring occasionally. Drain the whey, then heat the curds in a microwave for 30 seconds at a time, or in a hot water bath, until they reach 135 degrees Fahrenheit. Stretch and fold the warm curds until they are smooth and shiny, then form them into desired balls. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.